Hey guys, it's Coach Renata here, and today I'm going to lead you through a 10-minute HIIT workout. HIIT stands for High Intensity Interval Training, and that basically means that we're going to be having periods where we're doing a particular move, and then shorter periods where we're going to be resting. So for this particular HIIT circuit, we're only going to be doing 5 different exercises, and I'm going to lead you through these exercises first, and also show you modifications before we actually start doing them so that you know what's coming up. The other thing I want to say is about this circuit, our periods of on, meaning that that's when we're doing the actual exercise, is going to be 30 seconds. So we'll have 30 seconds on and we'll have a 10-second rest before moving on to the next exercise in the circuit. When we've done all 5 of the exercises, we'll take 1 minute break and then we'll do the whole circuit all over again. Okay, so let's get into the moves. The first one is an in and out squat pulse. Let me show you. So we're gonna come into this position, and as you can see, I'm literally in my bedroom. You don't need a lot of space to get this HIIT workout done. So we're gonna stand up tall, and for these squat pulses, we're gonna do them in and out. So we'll come down and do 2 squat pulses with our legs parallel, and then we'll jump out to a sumo squat position and do 2 pulses here. So we'll do in and out. Good. Now, if you need to modify, what you can do is just sit back into your squat and just do some toe taps to the side for the 30 seconds that we're on, okay? The next move is jumping jacks. So I think we all know jumping jacks. Just like that, we're gonna do that for 30 seconds, then 10 seconds rest. Now the next one is going to be really fun, and that is jump lunges. We're actually going to do 2 pulses and then swap legs. So if we come back out into a lunge position, we'll do 2 pulses, swap, 2 pulses, swap, and we'll do that for 30 seconds. The next one are skaters. You've probably seen these before, but this is when we jump to the side and we put one leg behind us and then jump to the other side. If you need to modify this one, by all means just step, tap back, step and tap back. For the jumping jacks too, I just want to say if you need to modify those, just like with the squat pulses, you're just going to do some taps to the outside like that. And then also with the jump lunges, you don't need to jump if you're modifying, just do some lunges, swap, and do the next leg back. Okay, now for the very last exercise for the circuit, they are burpees. I'm sure we've all seen burpees before. They are just like this. We're going to jump up, high into the air, come down, jump back, and then jump forward to bring our feet to our hand, and then repeat. Now for this one, if you need to modify, I would just slowly go through the motion. So we'll reach up, step back, 1 foot, 2 feet, step forward, 1 foot, 2 feet, and come back up, and that's your modification. Okay guys, I'm out of breath just from explaining it. That's so good. Okay, let's go ahead and do this. Remember that we're gonna do 30 seconds on, 10 seconds off, which is gonna be our rest period, and then we'll wait 1 minute before we repeat the circuit again, okay? So, catch your breath. Are you ready to go? Let's get ready. I'm gonna start my timer and I'll lead you through this. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Squat pulses in and out. In, out. Good. Keep going for 30 seconds. Good. Awesome job. Keep sitting back in those pulses. Keep breathing. Good job. We got less than 15 seconds left. 10 seconds left now. Keep going. Really get low. Feel the burn in your quads. Good job. 3, 2, 1. Good. Let's rest. 10 seconds rest. Next one is jumping jacks. Okay? Okay, 5 seconds for our rest period. 3, 2, 1. Jumping jacks, 30 seconds. Good job, guys. Keep your posture tall. Whew. Keep going, guys. You got this. 20 seconds left. Good job. Keep those feet going wide. Arms up high. 10 seconds. And then we rest for 10 seconds. Keep going. Okay. 2, 1, and rest. Good job. Next we're doing our jump lunges with the 2 pulses, okay? Really be careful of your knees in this one, or modify if you need to. Okay, jump lunges with the pulses, good. Good job. Yes. 20 seconds left. Okay. Feeling the burn. Good. 10 seconds left. Good job, guys. Keep going. Watch those knees. 3, 2, 1. Good job. Rest 10 seconds. Okay. We're up to our burpees. Sorry, house skaters. Whoops. Burpees coming up next. 3, 2, 1. Skaters. Good. Really try to get low. Move those arms to get some added effort involved. Good job, guys. Keep going. 20 seconds. Good. Jump wider if you need more intensity. Ready? Good. 10 seconds left. Good job. Woo. Getting sweaty. Keep going. Good. 3, 2, 1. Good job. 10 seconds. And last but not least, burpees. Woo. This is a good HIIT workout. Get ready. 2, 1. Burpees. For 30 seconds. You can do it. You can do anything for 30 seconds. Good job, guys. Good. Reach up high. Awesome. Keep going. 15 seconds left. You got this. Keep strong arms in the burpees. Good. You got this. Almost done. 5 seconds. Get one more in. One more. Oh, good job. Ooh, let's rest for 1 minute. Ooh, how are you feeling? Oh, I'm out of breath. Ooh, my legs are burning. I hope yours are too. That's a really good workout. We're gonna do that all over again. Remember, the 5 exercises are our in and out squat pulses, our jumping jacks. We have the jump lunges with the double pulses as well, skaters, and then the burpees, and then we're done. That's our HIIT workout for today. Whew. Hope you're catching your breath. If you need to take a sip of water, feel free to do that. Whew. Deep breaths, guys. This is a really good one, especially partway through the day when you need to get some energy back up. Just stop what you're doing, clear out a little bit of space. You don't need too much. And then you can do this really quick 10-minute HIIT workout. Really, really good. Okay, ready, guys? We're gonna start this all over again, starting with our in and out squat pulses, okay? Whew. My legs are burning. Okay, guys, you ready? Whew. 3, 2, 1. In and out squat pulses. 30 seconds. That's all you need to do with this, and then you're done. 30 seconds. Good. Keep sitting back. Think strong legs. Good job. You're powerful. You are strong. You can do this. This is easy. Almost there. 10 seconds left. Here we go, guys. Ooh, get ready for that rest. Good. Keep sitting back. 2, 1. Rest. Good. We have our jumping jacks next. Ooh. Keep going. Shake it out if you need to. Your legs should be burning. Ready? Jumping jacks, go. Good job, guys. Yes. I feel like the jumping jacks are like almost a rest period as well, because the other exercises burn my quads so much. 15 seconds. You got this, guys. Keep going. 10 seconds. Good job. Keep going. Keep pushing. You'll be done after this. Good. Rest. Whew. Next up are our jump lunges with the double pulses. Get ready. 3, 2, 1. Go. Make sure you watch that form. You want to be strong, stable. Yes. Good job. Keep going. Remember, if you need to modify, no problem. Just do what you can. You can always come back to this and see how much stronger you've gotten. Good job. Okay, 5 seconds. Woo, burns. 3, 2, 1. Woo, rest. I gotta shake out my legs there. Woo. Okay, are you ready for skaters? And go. Good. Really get wide, really get low. There you go. Feel your heart pumping. Awesome. Keep going, guys. 20 seconds. Good. Keep pushing. You're almost done. 10 seconds left. Good job. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! 10 seconds and our last move. Burpees, and then we're done, guys. You can do this. 4, 3, 2, 1, go! Lots of energy. Let's go, come on. Yes. Keep going, guys. You got this. 15 seconds. Good job. Almost done. Ready? 5 seconds. 4, 3, 2, do one more. Yes. Woo. I am tired. What about you guys? Oh, my legs are burning. My quads are on fire. Whew. You guys did awesome. This is a great HIIT workout. Feel free to repeat the circuit as many times as you want. I'm gonna catch my breath. Hope you can catch your breath too. And we'll see you on the next workout here.